Okay, hello.
Hello.
So, Burhan, you're going to be teaching me today how
Okay.
to use the OpenAI Agent Builder.
Right.
And we already have one viewer. So, well, um,
hmm
if you're watching this, let us know what you'd like us to build. We're using the OpenAI Agent Builder, which was just announced
Yesterday, I think.
um, today in America,
Right.
just a few hours ago. So there's Agent Builder, which is their basically no code tool, which is similar to Zapier or VoiceFlow for
N-A-
making agents, NAN,
N-A-N. Yeah.
and connector registry. No idea what that is. Do you know?
I think it's maybe the MCP tools.
Hmm, perhaps. Um, and then ChatKit. Okay, which is
hmm
that's been around for a while. That kind of thing. Cool. Anyways, um, have you looked through this sort of intro? It looks like just a PR blog post, really.
hmm I mean, they do have
Um,
lots of. I mean, you could also add your MCP servers into this,
mhm.
or use the built-in ones that OpenAI provides. So it does open up a lot of possibilities.
Okay. Well, let's just try it out. So, do you think I should create a new workflow from scratch, or I should use one of these templates?
Let's have a look at the templates because they do look intriguing.
Okay,
So,
sure. I tried this planning helper. It was very simple.
mm-hmm,
So we could try that one out. So this is a nice interface,
mm-hmm,
canvas. So I see 5 blocks, a start block, a triage block,
right,
um, a condition, and then uh, two sub agents. Is that what this is?
yeah,
Okay, cool. Oh,
and
and the
then
triage is also a sub agent. Okay.
yeah. I mean, something that's cool is like you could, do you see code on top right? You could export that as an agent SDK. So
Right.
that's
Yeah, this
something.
is the part that's been around for a while.
Yeah,
Okay. And so to run this, you really just need your OpenAI API key. And just like with the agent, with previously with Agent SDK, I'm guessing that all of your chat threads are going to be stored in their hosted cloud.
yeah,
So it must give you some way to keep track of users. Um,
hmm
so you can store the users' chats separately.
yeah.
Um, let's let's just. I had one question actually before. Actually, let's just try it. Okay, let's just try it out. So, hi, I'm Burhan. This is cool. I like this little debugging view where you can
Yeah.
see what state it's in. Um, so it did start. It ran the triage agent,
hmm
and this is, I guess, the output.
Yeah. I mean,
But
I think if you
huh?
click on try triage thing, you could see
Uh-huh.
what's outputting. Maybe click on the node.
Nah. Oh,
No.
that took
Oops.
me out. That took me out. Okay. So here, I can click on this,
Oh, this takes you to
and
the logs.
oh, I have like a more, um, I have a more detailed log. No, this is the prompt. This is the prompt for that agent.
F- right.
No, this
For
wait,
the first node, right? Like the one right after the starting one.
I guess.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. This is just all of my logs for everything.
Yeah. I mean, if you go to the workflow and see, you would see the system instructions are the same as click on triage. Oh,
I don't know how that happened. Oh, I clicked here. Uh,
yeah. And here,
yeah. Okay.
yeah,
Yeah. So, and here's previous responses. Okay. Okay. And so here, this must be the out.
output, yeah,
No, this is the input.
has all the details. I mean, let's have a look at the node and see what output have we set. Uh,
Okay. Let's look here.
yeah. Do we have
Output
like
format,
yeah output
schema.
format? Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. But for some reason here it's under input, but this is the output. Oh,
That's confusing.
well, maybe this is the output of the last node and it's the input of the next node.
Mm-hmm.
Um, maybe it passes along the state through each node that way. So this is actually so the input of each node is the history, is the chat history, uh,
Mm-hmm.
and this was added in the last node.
Yeah.
So in this node it was added, but this is the input to the condition,
Yeah.
uh, perhaps, or something. So here and then, but what was also weird is like, okay, we're on preview. Oh, we have to do it again. Oh,
So it first checks if if it has all the details, because you only said
yeah.
hello, and then it checks for that.
This
If
is
the
a
date
really
yeah, if the
weird
data is
way.
missing,
This is a really weird way to show JSON because it
yeah,
just says like has all details and then comma. So we don't actually know if it's true or false.
it's just
But
it just highlighted the schema.
so this schema here, um,
Has all the details, right?
yeah, but just how does it know that that's a boolean from here? Okay. Okay. Current capacity such as team. Okay, but when do you want this done? So I guess what I'm getting out of this is that it feels it feels a bit like line graph.
Mm-hmm. I mean, it would be it is nice, but like the way that I'm thinking about is like if this could be any modular, like maybe
Uh-huh.
uh where you could paste stuff like just like NAN where you could drop in JSON and then it builds the whole automation, right? In this you cannot copy the nodes, you know? You have to do the whole thing again and again.
You can't wait. Why can't you copy it?
By copy I mean it's like uh copy from one workflow to other, which makes it modular. Like in NAN, you could just copy the whole JSON, right?
Oh, so you're saying that if I have another workflow,
Yeah.
that basically I can't use reuse this in the other
Mm-hmm.
workflow?
Yeah.
Well,
Th- that would be nice.
you're right. I don't see that. I don't see much, but you could possibly. No, you can't. You can't select more than one thing here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I mean, they are outputting the agent STK code, right? It would be cool if you could start from the agent STK code and then build the automation. Do you know what I
I
mean?
see. Yeah, but oh, okay. Wow. Is this so? This is really generating all of the code necessary to create this agent, right?
Yep.
So okay. Um, and the agents SDK. But didn't the agents SDK exist now for already like a year?
Yeah, it did exist. It's an old
Okay.
thing. Yeah.
So then so then this is just a no code builder around that.
Yeah, on
So
top of
then
that. Yeah.
so then that's okay. So then we could have made that already if we wanted to. Like with React Flow, like someone could have built this on top of that. So question is then, and this is a lot like voice flow. I don't know if
Mm-hmm.
you ever use voice flow.
I
Uh,
have.
yeah. But then question is, what is Agent Kit then? It's Agent Builder, Chat Kit. Developers can design workflows visually and so this is Agent Builder. Let's see what's connector registry. Um, this maybe connectors and MCP.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking about earlier.
Yeah. Um,
Because in ChatGPT
OpenAI maintained.
they call connectors MCP tools.
Oh, got it. Okay, okay. So it's basically an API that you can pass with an OAuth access token. So hopefully this will. Um, does this also allow you to use OAuth login flow? Share this agent and then allow other people to log in with their own uh,
That would be nice. I
their
mean,
Dropbox accounts. Yeah.
yeah, probably yeah. I tried setting up the Supabase MCP server inside the agent key,
Right.
and
Because this is just an OAuth token here. So
mhm.
yeah, um, you could collect users OAuth token and then use this um, to create an agent which then accidentally deletes all the files in their Dropbox, for example.
Yeah,
The users will
conve-
love you.
yeah, convenient enough. You won't have to delete one by one. Let the agent.
Depends. Depends what methods are there are. A Dungeons and Dragons server. Okay, and then here. Okay, okay. So this is just part of their agents SDK, basically.
Hmm.
Mm, interesting. Okay. So basically, what they're doing is they're basically making general purpose agent framework, and they're just building it into the OpenAI SDK,
Yeah.
um, and they're allowing you to use agent like MCP servers to plug that in directly, or their simplified MCP connectors, where you can also pass in like auth token.
Yeah, something
That's
cool
good.
that they also have is like, you know how they had, you could set up the output to be structured, and they have like you could output stuff into a widget, using the agent kit.
Oh, really? Like
Mm-hmm.
Tambo,
Yeah, like Tambo.
but not as good, I'm sure.
Yeah.
Victor says, "How can I be part of it, please?" Well, Victor, if you look up here, this is the URL.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so that's all you have to do. Uh, is go to that URL
I mean, the widget
and
thing. Did you already know about the widget studio?
what's that?
OpenAI Widget Studio. Search that out.
What? Did you make this up?
Nah, it was in the tutorial. That's where I got it from.
This.
It says Widget Studio.
There it is. Did they call it Widget Studio?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, what's this? So this is like a little V0 inside of the agent build.
OpenAI. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. 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 Um, but where do you get the dot widget from?
I mean, if you click on create, maybe you could try it. So output, go to any sub agent, and
I'm
then
gonna do this one, the get data, yeah, and then output format. I want it to be a widget.
widget, and then create
Oh, here's Widget Studio, but it's chat kit.
dot studio.
Oh, okay. This is owned by OpenAI. Okay. Um, a really annoying widget.
Oh,
So, okay, is this new today? Widget Builder?
I have no idea. I mean, I just this is the first time I saw it.
Okay. Yeah, so it looks like they're I mean, what this really seems like is they haven't really announced anything new at the AI level. They're just copying what a bunch of startups have done.
Mm-hmm.
Um, but this is really focused for developers, so it's nice. They're setting a higher standard for developer. Okay, here
Are you still there? It looks nice though.
it's not blinking.
Tap anytime I stop blinking. Maybe you could tell it it's not blinking. Dark mode.
Okay, yeah, sure. So okay, so I've done that. Now I'm here. Now
You could export that widget
okay,
into like
yeah.
a file and
Um,
then oops.
wow.
Can you not chat with it?
Okay. Well, but this JSON isn't enough. Wait, is it enough? Oh, it is enough. Wow. Okay, so the whole style is also um so one thing
Embedded.
that's different about it is using Tailwind as well. But
Mm-hmm.
they've probably created their own components. Oh. Oh, one sec. I'm gonna send this. I'm gonna send this to Michael right now. Okay. So, okay, well that was a big fail. Can you make a text box? So
Forming
yeah,
up.
it's It's
It's slow.
it's a no code thing. Okay, here, download.
Wait, am I missing something, or you cannot chat with it to reiterate this design, or is it like a one shot thing?
It looks like a one shot thing, but hey, that's not my biggest concern right now.
No, it's not exporting.
Yeah, it's a one shot, which is probably fine if you're just making little widgets. I mean, OpenAI's code generation demos have always been really, really simple. Like they've never done anything that crazy like V0 cursor
Yeah,
type things. It's not their strength, anyways.
I
But
mean the
so
margin of going things going bad are low when you do simple things.
that's true. Um, so yeah, they get to make really impressive simple demos. Um, yeah, also their code gen demos, even like the live ones, have been pretty
Yeah, snake
simple.
games. Yeah.
Yeah. Whoa. So, um, let's see. Okay, well, so that would be a widget, and then you'd upload it there, and then that widget would yeah would then appear in your chat.
Yeah.
Um,
Wow.
yeah. Okay. I'll tell you what I was expecting today. I was expecting something. I was expecting something more um, like N8N.
Mm-hmm. Me too. I mean, that's one thing, right? And the other thing is like, OpenAI being like the what do you call it? Like so mainstream in the generative AI stuff,
Mm-hmm.
they could have made something like, chat to an automation, text, natural language to an automation thing,
The
and
thing is, you need to have all those connectors. But I do think this is going to be. I do think if their connectors are good, then that's going to be really helpful.
yeah. I mean, there
But
is a one way transition from the automation to the agents SDK, right? It could be the other way as well. If it could be done.
well, okay. So you're saying that you could. What? Why do you want that though?
If we because agent SDK code is like code, right? You could generate that using, let's
Oh,
say, ChatGPT, and once you have that code, you could convert that into an automation. So that
oh,
just makes it natural language to automation.
but this is not really an automation. This is just a. It's just a flowchart that tells the chatbot how to behave. I mean, you could call that an automation, but it's very human in the loop.
Yeah.
Like, I don't think this like like I feel like for it to be an automation, well, you have conditions. Um, so if you would do this without user approval, yeah, okay, but all the triggers are basically from the chatbot. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, that's
So
true.
it would be hard to make an automation, for example, that goes based off. It would be not possible to make an automation that goes based off an email trigger, or a schedule trigger, or something like the WhatsApp trigger that we did previously.
Mm-hmm.
Um,
Yeah, that's true.
so really, it only works in chatbots, and yeah, I don't see this replacing N8N anytime soon.
Well,
Oh well, now we know. It's better to spend 20 minutes on it and just see how it goes. Does is there like I'm not even that inspired right now to create like a chatbot. Uh, I I guess I'm trying to think of one that would be like really fun to have. Like, yeah, nope, don't got any.
Okay. Let's make something like if it's James, it would talk to you in French, and if it's Burhan, it would talk to you in Urdu. Add a condition. Let's call it classify. Yep. Maybe start with the subagent. Yeah.
What do I put here?
You have to classify if the user is Burhan, and then let's do the output format. Uh,
Oh, okay, like this. Output format.
yeah.
It could just be text. Right? And then here,
If it's text, how
input equals Burhan.
that is if it just says Burhan.
Oh, here. But here, the example they gave was input equals 5. Oh, and here
I
the
mean,
output is
just set it up through JSON.
there's JSON, right? But then what's the input? Oh,
Go.
here you can do it like this. They have the whole
Yeah.
secret
If you
thing.
click on it, yeah.
Oh, okay, but I can do like this then. Can I do like this now? Is it possible? Okay. Um. Okay. Return the name of the user you're chatting with in lowercase, and then I'm just gonna have it be only if it's Burhan. Say
Yeah. You have to click on pick the agent from the left corner.
teach Burhan how to code in Urdu. Ah, that didn't work.
No. If you could, yeah, that's how.
I feel like a grandpa using an iPad for the first time. Okay, here. Okay. Um, ask the user for his McDonald's order. Amazing. Okay.
We're just off the mark from AGI.
Look at it go.
Yeah, you didn't tell it the name.
No. Yeah, we did. Oh, okay. Yeah, we missed the whole step where it needs to do the loop. It needs to hold the loop if it
Yeah,
doesn't.
maybe just tell it the name in the first text. Like,
Oh, right here. You're right.
yeah,
Oh,
yeah,
okay, okay. Sorry.
yeah.
Hi, I am James.
Yeah, that worked. Mm-mm.
Wait, why did it go back?
What?
Oh, it started again. We got to the end. It somehow started again. I don't know what it did there.
Interesting. Nope.
What?
I mean, it
It's
did get
here.
to the right part, yeah, but still.
Now it just says Burhan. Okay, it did
And
get here.
yeah, it just said Burhan.
That's not even Urdu. Output assistant Burhan. I don't know. This seems like the agent. This seems like the agent itself is just being stupid.
Mhm.
Like it has the system instructions right here. I'm Burhan, and then it says teach Bur. I mean, probably if I go through and I edit the prompt and I'm like even more specific. But anyways, I feel like that's enough for now.
Mhm.
So, what have we learned?
We learned that it needs a lot of stuff.
Yeah, it's so basic. This is not for like AI engineers.
Mhm.
I
Yeah,
think.
you cannot compare it. We learned that we cannot compare with AI automations. That's a separate thing, different thing.
Yeah. Yeah, it's different. It's limited. I actually don't think this is going to go very far, personally. Yeah. Another minor letdown. Did anything else came out of the announcements today? Uh, well, we had Sora 2. Um, that was a few days ago. Cursor. Cursor's demoing today. You can now chat with. Okay, you can chat with Booking.com or directly in ChatGPT. Okay, so all the connectors. Yeah, that doesn't really feel like any advancement in AI.
Mhm.
It's just more connectors. Yeah. Okay. Well, that was fun.
Mhm. Yeah, that was fun.
What should we do
Oh,
our next stream on?
uh, we could. I mean, if OpenAI keeps releasing stuff, we could see if they're actually worth using. Also, Cursor is really uh quick with new features. You know, they have new releases every week, more than a few.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, we could do
Hmm.
something with Cursor. Yeah, Cursor's got a lot of stuff.
Yeah. It recently added the browser thing, like from where you could connect
That's true.
connect your browser.
Cool. All right.
Hmm.
Well, I'm gonna get back to work.
Awesome. I'll get back
You
to
should.
sleep.
Yeah. School
Yeah.
tomorrow.
Yeah.
Okay.